Hello students. Exams are just around the corner. But how are you feeling? Are you feeling stressed, worried and anxious? Well, I'm here to tell you that you needn't be, because we here at Presenova are here to help with our new program designed especially for you. We are happy to launch our new 30-day rapid revision course designed for 10th standard students. Our learning app is a platform with regular assessments, customized learning methods, and courses specially designed and developed by top industry experts. So what are the top features of this course? Our faculty. We have highly qualified and experienced teachers to help you learn better. We have daily live classes and recorded classes, reports and analytics to help you assess your performance throughout the course. And then we have free ebooks for you to access anytime you need, and daily, weekly tests to keep you on track, and regular parent-teacher sessions. This course consists of 30 days rapid revision, 48 live lectures which will be recorded for your future reference, 24 daily tests and 4 weekly tests, and 3 full-length tests based on the new MCQ pattern. Our faculty follow a strictly designed micro-schedule to make sure the course is on track and completed on time. In Presenova, we have top faculty for every subject. We here at Presenova believe in integrating modern technology with traditional teaching methods to get the best of both the worlds. For further details, please contact us on these numbers or visit our website www.presenova.com. See you on the other side.